Hello, this is Dave Miller, and this is WeldingRods.com products. 909 product. It's a mild steel on our website, WeldingRods.com. So we're talking about our 909 mild steel product. This is a 80 thousandths on the tensile strength, and it's an all-position mild steel product for dirty, greasy, painted surfaces. You got cement. This is excellent if you're a cement worker. This burns very hot, thin slag, but it's very, very easy to operate. You can just touch this stuff and it'll go in all positions. So strike and restrike is very good with this product. So the other thing that we sell this is if you were in a tight place and you can't get your hammer in to chip the slag, because typically you need to chip the slag between passes. Well, a lot of times we have applications where you cannot get in to chip the slag because you're in such a tight spot to weld, you can barely get the rod in there. So with this product here, you can do a multiple pass without chipping the slag and it'll give you a solid weld. Okay, so this is the product from WeldingRods.com, our number 909. It's the brick red color, and it's excellent for multiple pass applications where you can't get your chipping hammer in to get the slag off. It'll give you a nice solid weld. Excellent on AC or DC, so if you got a little buzz box and you need a good running rod for dirty, greasy applications, cement and paint on it, this is an excellent rod to have on hand.